Good evening, students. Today we are going to learning the acetylene preparation and properties. Basically, acetylene prepared by the laboratory method is the simple and laboratory method is acetylene prepared by the calcium carbide. Basically, this calcium carbide we are using in the in the Diwali festival time actually. Though this calcium carbide while reacting with the water molecule, so it prepares a sound like dub. Okay, as we all know that one, water molecule to water molecule, these two carbon groups will take these two hydrogens and form C2H2 and CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide, and this is acetylene, Similarly, this is basically called as laboratory method. This is a laboratory method and an easy method also. Okay, in the second reaction, if you can take that halogen compounds, means dibromoacetylene, dibromoethylene, if you can take that one and react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. See, alcoholic potassium hydroxide means it is a more base character. This basic nature will always attract the acid to make a neutral compound, to make a salt like that. Okay, so it always attracts the compound for the base. So here I am going to writing that C, single bond C, bromine, hydrogen. While we are reacting with the potassium hydroxide, alcoholic, see, this HBr means basically this hydrogen, one bromine, one hydrogen, one bromine gets involved with the compound, and here CH triple bond CH and OH group and one hydrogen group at here will go to H2O plus this bromine and this potassium bromide KBr 2 KBr will form. So this is a simple reaction, but we have to understand the nature of the alcoholic potassium hydroxide. This is very important, and alcoholic potassium chloride is always appearing in the organic chemistry because it has a role to eliminate the hydrogen halogen groups like HCl, HBr. This is a acid group. HCl is a good acid. HBr is also one acid. HA is also weak acid. But it helps to always remove the acid group from the organic compounds. This is very important, and you have to know while doing the laboratory experiment also you have to use this compound for the eliminating the acid group. Okay, now the physical properties is it is always a colorless gas. It is lightly soluble in the water. The chemical properties is halogenation is one of the good thing. Here in this compound, the chlorine is the good halogen compound. It always participating in the halogenation for the chain reaction. If you can take CH triple bond CH with the chlorine, it forms CHCl double bond CHCl at the presence of natural light HNu. Okay, this is called as acetylene dichloride. Acetylene dichloride. If this acetylene dichloride again reacts with chlorine in natural light, it will form CHCl2, single bond, CHCl2. Do you know the name of this? Acetylene tetrachloride. The name of this, acetylene tetrachloride. Acetylene tetrachloride. Similarly, chlorine like bromine also coming. Bromine will also make a reaction, but bromine gives us light yield. See, chlorine will give a good yield, good amount of quantity, good amount of yield will come, good amount of quantity will come. Whereas bromine will give less amount of yield, less amount of quantity will come, but it reacts slowly. It reacts slowly. Br2 bromine, it reacts CHBr double bond, CHBr, acetylene dibromide, acetylene dibromide. Again, this acetylene dibromide will make a reaction, slow reaction with bromine. With bromine will form same again Br2. Sorry, it is a single bond at here, CHBr2. There is acetylene tetrabromide. This is acetylene tetrabromide. Okay, but whereas iodine will not make such a great chain reaction. It only makes a single step reaction for only one, that is acetylene iodide compound, but it will not give a good yield and it will not make any type of chain reaction. This is a important point. Iodine will not make a chain reaction. It will only participate CHI double bond, CHI. That's all. This is also very slow reaction. This is a very slow reaction. This is very slow reaction. Why? Because the size of the iodine increases and rigidness increases. Due to that reason, iodine will not make a good combination and will not make a long chain reactions. Okay. The final thing is that reaction with the HBr. CH triple bond, CH, HBr. Again, it will make a chain reaction, definitely. Why? Because bromine compound, it makes some chain reaction. CH2 to Br. Okay, the name is vinyl bromide. The name is vinyl bromide. This is important reaction. Sometimes it came in a exams also. How vinyl bromide can be prepared. Vinyl bromide can be prepared. It is a reaction with hydrogen bromide and ethylene. A reaction between ethylene and hydrogen bromide will give us vinyl bromide. It is a important reaction. Okay, and it has a chain reaction. This vinyl bromide will not stay at here. It will get again reaction CH3 CHBr2. This is called ethylene dibromide. Name is very important. Ethylene. Dibromide. Ethylene dibromide. Now further burning and simple reaction. CH triple bond CH 5O2 will make 4 carbon dioxides 2H2O plus heat. A simple reaction. Burning, always see any organic compound if you are going to burning, carbon dioxide water molecule heat is generating. That is a common phenomenon. If you take any body like wood, like any animal body, fat, everything is a hydrocarbon. If you are going to take a burning, the carbon dioxide water molecule and heat will comes and generates. That's all, student. From this reaction we are going to closing the organic chemistry. From tomorrow onwards we are going for the metallurgy. Thank you.